Many iPhone users are reporting that they could not be able to hear the caller when on received calls, but when they make a call on the same number, it works fine. In this video, I will show you how to fix this problem. Solution number 1. Go to settings, click on Bluetooth, turn off Bluetooth. Solution number 2. Go to settings, scroll down and click on Face ID and passcode. Scroll down and turn off attention aware features. Solution number 3. Go to settings, scroll down and click on accessibility. Next, scroll down and click on hearing devices. Turn off hearing aid compatibility. Solution number 4. Go to settings, scroll down and click on accessibility. Next, scroll down and click on audio and visual. Turn off phone noise cancellation. Solution number 5. Go to settings, scroll down and click on general. Next, scroll down and click on transfer reset iPhone. Click on reset. Click on reset network settings. Again, click on reset network settings to confirm this process. I hope your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.